Hi guys, welcome back to Chocolate Therapy by Nishi. In this video, I am going to show you all my tricks and easy way on how to decorate a chocolate cake which is covered in chocolate whipped cream and filled with chocolate ganache. All the recipes I use, I will leave a link or details for the same in the description box below. To start with, we place a little bit of cream on your board for the first layer to stick. That way, your cake won't move while you're decorating it. The easiest way to do a filling in any cake so that it doesn't give you a hard time later is to make a well around the rim of the cake with your frosting and then do the filling. This way it doesn't spill out and you won't have any bulges in the finished cake. You would repeat this process for all your stacked layers and you wouldn't have to worry about any kind of bulging later. If you want to learn how to make this moist chocolate cake, the recipe for the same is in the description box below. After stacking your cake, you would do a thin crumb coat on the full cake to catch in any loose crumbs. This way your final coat of frosting won't have any big cake crumbs peeking out. You don't have to worry about the finishing of the crumb coat since you're going to finish this cake with a final layer of frosting. For the final coat of frosting, I always start with the sides first, as it is easier for me to pull in the lip of frosting that is hanging on the top, and this helps in getting a smooth top as well. Chilling the cake after the crumb coat and the final layer of frosting makes it easier to work with the cake and decorate. For decorating this chocolate loaded cake, I have prepared here some pouring ganache and I've let it cool completely, and with the help of an offset spatula, I'm spreading it on the top and let it fall off the sides. I'm not looking for any even drips here, so I'm just going to tap the cake board for it to fall. Use your spatula to make some more drips wherever you feel it's needed. I have my remaining frosting in a piping bag with a nozzle attached and I'm making a shell border. You can leave it out if you want. I feel it gives a good finished look here. To finish off this cake, I'm making some ruffles on the top. For this, you want to keep the piping bag upright and guide it with your other hand and put in even pressure to have uniformity. As you can see, I was out of frosting when I reached the last one, but I filled my bag again and finished that one as well. And last but not the least, what's a cake without some sprinkles? Add in any of your favorites here to give it an added touch. I'm adding these chocolate sprinkles to finish off this cake. And there you have it, a finished chocolate loaded cake for you to enjoy with your family. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. For more such videos and easy recipes, do subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on that notification bell. Happy baking!